Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this video as a weekly recap which ended today on August 21st. So let's get started. The last week started on the 17th of August, right? So that was Monday. So nothing happened on 17th. We're setting up, and on the 18th, I got this one pound USD. Even though I was expecting that it will go down, but it went up and gave me a long setup, so I took it, right? Setup always prevail. Setup is important, whichever way they show up. All right, so this was for long and nice and clean, 130 pip to the upside, pound USD on the 18th. The next one was on the 18th, similar pair like Euro USD. Pound USD went up, Euro USD went up as well, and they both because of the USD weakness. You know that. And then on the 18th, pound Aussie also went up. The pound was getting strong also, so all pound pair went up. So this was one of them, pound Aussie. I was expecting that. I have on my weekly chart analysis saying that the pound Aussie is going to go up, and it went up 90 pip on the 18th. And then you can see here, then again, 3 trades on 18, but then again on the 19th, market started retracing. Nothing happened on 19. On the 20th, then again, pound Aussie took off to the upside from the 20-minute chart. This was the first one, first trade that I just showed you, and then 19 it retraced, and then 20 again going to the upside. This is a long entry here, nice and clean, just above 8205 number, and all the way to 125 pip. And then this one again, pound CAD. Pound was on the move. Pound got strong, so all pound pair went up, and this was also a long pound CAD from 20-minute chart, and you can see 80 pip all the way from there to there. Not 20-minute chart, actually 7-minute chart, sorry, on the 20th. Okay, and here from pound Nuzi from the 7-minute chart, also it was going up very nicely, and I just got in here. You could have gotten here, here, it's a lot of places, right? So I got in after this setup, start to go up. I got in here and then travel with it all the way to up here and 410 pip on the 20th. And then again on the 20th, Euro Aussie also went up, and beautiful entry after the transition to the upside. It was here, it was bearish, went up, became bullish, and from there on, beautiful. This was an entry. This, all of these beautiful entries by this very, very good, precise system. Not too much, but too many pip, 70 pip, right? Okay. So this is on the 20th. And then on the 21st, my long time chart showing that Euro USD probably going to go down because the USD strength will, about to come. And that start coming in, and Euro USD. In fact, Euro USD also had a bad news. Euro bad news came out on Friday, Wednesday night, Friday, Thursday night or Friday. So it just start to go down. I even tweeted. I think. Let me see here. You see, I on a Telegram I said that the Euro news just came out bad. EU means Euro USD may be dropping. Then I said more bad news for Euro, and all Euro pairs will be going down. So when I say all, I literally took not all of them, but Euro USD to the downside right there. And this one, Euro Yen, was not from today or yesterday. It was from last week, Friday. I got short here, but this pair wasn't moving. So I was sitting on a break even and said, what the hell, let's see if I sell hit. If not, let it go. There's nothing to lose, right? So it was right here somewhere when the news came out, and then it went down, and then, it was a nice short setup here again, and it dropped. But I was here in already. So that's why I got 125 pip out of this. Not bad, right? But Euro weakness was expected, so that's what happened. And then Euro Aussie, because of that Euro news, it was going up, but then again the news came out and then it went down. Here, nice short setup, and all of these charts that I showed you, that I'm showing also my live trade still alive, and SL moved to break even plus. So you know that these are not just the pictures. That the trade was on when I opened the trade, and I hold on to it, and then before I close the trade, usually I take these. Sometimes even if I take the picture, I still keep the trade on if I feel like that is going to go up or down even more, right? But most of the time, I take the pick to say, for the record, and close the trade. So that's what happened. And Euro Aussie 20. That's it. So these are, so on the 21st, because of the Euro news, I was like able to Euro USD, Euro Aussie, and Euro Yen. Some other Euro pairs they all probably went down because the news was bad. We do not trade the news. We trade after the news. We trade the reaction of the news. After the news, when the news comes out, we're going to make sure that we have a proper setup. For example, if the news comes out and the price start to dropping, I'm not going to go long. Short here. I will wait for my setup. So it goes up, and then I have a proper setup. That's the one we take. Without the setup, I do not take any trade, or not my subscribers either. If they take it, I don't know, but I do not recommend that. All right, so everything is by the book. Everything is by the setup. Look at the Euro Yen, was beautiful by the book short setup here, right? Yellow blows the black, lower high indicates all the way up. But I didn't take this one because I was already in the trade. But this is the one that I took. Same scenario here. Yellow line below the black, lower high indicates all the way down. All the way up, coming down. And reversal candle and a couple of red candles. I opened the trade here, waited, and came down here, came up here, they went down, came up here, and then start dropping. Then I moved my SL to break even, and it comes all the way down. Sometimes even if it goes down and then it's going up, I do not move my SL because there's a reason for that. The reasons are my weekly charts. I have a very strong feeling, a very strong chart that this thing is going to go down no matter what. So I hold on to it. For example, on this one, let me show it to you. Okay, I have all the weekly charts made, but probably I'm going to just show you just for the sake of that one, if I can find it. I think where can I find it? No, that's index. This is these are pair charts and templates. Okay, pair charts. And these are the charts I make, and I give it to my subscribers. Okay, see EJ weekly chart on the 16th. Look what it was showing the direction. See that? So this is somewhere there. It's supposed to make the turn and go down, right? And let's go take a look where it is right now. Okay, let me show it to you. So you're expecting something ahead of time, and if that happens, you jump in. Look at that, right? Exactly where it was, and start dropping. And here you just look at one single candle, because this is a weekly chart, so one candle represents the whole week. But you can see on my 20-minute chart what is happening really, and the setups and everything. Even the 7-minute chart is more detailed, right? So we can easily take the entries. But the idea was that somewhere here it's gonna go down, right? And even if it goes, give me a long setup, I wouldn't take it because I know that the brick wall is just above it, so no sense going long. So what happened? No, it didn't go long. It went down and then it started giving me short setup, and I was expecting that, so I started taking it. So all the trades have the same story. All the trades have the same story. Even Euro USD. Let me show you that chart as well. That I made that chart, and where is it, man? I'm probably gonna go here. Look, the Euro USD chart, the weekly chart I made on the 19th, and saying that 1876 is the key number, and this thing is gonna drop from here, right? So look at my trade of the Euro USD, 1876. That's what I said, right? Where'd it go? The chart says 1876 is the key number. And exactly there, it broke below it, bounced from 1814 and went up, hitting 1876 and posted a reversal candle. And I was watching it. So when that happened, I says, well, okay, that's what's happening. And boom, right after the reversal candle, I open my trade and start to go down, move the SL to break even. So this is all systematic and according to the plan. The weekly chart analysis, what is going to happen, and then paying attention to the news. This is why I call it like a magic IB system. It is a system. It's just not buy, sell signals, pressing buttons. No, it is all calculated and a planned system. Okay, you follow the plan, you follow the system, the rules, and everything comes in play. All right, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you can subscribe on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, or maybe you want to learn on one-on-one from me. I have that program, the course, one-on-one course available on my website. So you go to my website, myfirstmagicweb.com, and subscribe there. Choose which program you want to be. If you want to learn from me from A to Z or just monthly subscription, and be a part of it. Okay. So this is today is like Friday night. You have Saturday, Sunday to get the system, to prepare the charts, everything. If you're having a problem setting up the charts, all the indicators and all that, I will get on the Skype and help you out by showing my own screen and talk to you personally, live on the Skype, right? So no worry over there. And you can start doing the same thing on from Monday. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. And you all have a very safe and sound and happy weekend. And talk to you guys later.